Alright, so this video is our Ratchet Girl anthem. Don't play with it.
For them ratchet girls.
Ratchet.
The ratchetest.
Yes. Follow us on Twitter at Cockiness.
And K-Bay. 3 A's, 2 Y's.
Yes, yes. Okay.
It's your boy.
You can't look at us.
Ratchet of the ratchet.
Ratchet.
OMG, what do she got on?
Ratchet.
Her lace front is all wrong.
Ratchet.
Give me the phone. I'm about to take this heifer picture. I'm about to put this hoe on Twitter.
Instagram. I know you not coming out of the house looking like that. Not with them $9.99 store tracks. You got on flip-flops. What? Girl, and you ain't got no fucking butt. You coming out the house with them bell-bottom jeans.
Ew.
This ain't fucking 1996, bitch, please. Get your shit right and get it on tight. And if you wanna be like me, get your shit smelling right.
Ratchet.
Ratchet, you already know. I'm the baddest bitch everywhere that I go. I know y'all bitches wanna be just like me, but bitch, please get them 993s out of here. Ratchet, you look a mess. Your track look busted and your clothes look stressed. Girl, you is real crazy. You looking like you shitty. You smelling real hazy. Ratchet. Hold on. Tell him, Kayla.
You gone. You look like you got a dick.
Ratchet.
You look nasty as shit.
I'm done. You fucked it up now.